In this video, we will show you how to replace your air filter housing clip. Let's get started. Start by removing your original clip. We'll make our way under here to the tab. To unlock it, swing this over. Once you've done that, we'll continue on with an angled pick. Come right down inside this area and gently start prying this down and out of position. Okay friends, let's get ready to install our brand new air filter housing clip. Open this up and put it in position. Continue on with your angled pick. You're going to want to come carefully underneath that clip while holding down on the box and lift this up into the locked position. Double check both ears. Make sure it's completely secured. Assuming that looks good, go ahead and lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.